NVO down 20.68%. This is Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025. So, yeah, you clearly saw it there. The stock is trending downwards following a surprise cut to its full year sales growth outlook, driven primarily by weaker than expected US sales of Wegovy, its blockbuster weight loss injection. The company cited growing competition from compounded versions of GLP-1 weight loss drugs, which are being offered by some clinics and pharmacies as cheaper alternatives despite regulatory scrutiny. The lowered guidance has rattled investors who had grown accustomed to Novo Nordisk's aggressive growth trajectory amid the global obesity drug boom. Community discussions reflect a stark divide. Some traders see the current sell-off as an overreaction, arguing that the underlying demand for GLP-1 therapies like Wegovy and Ozempic remains robust, and that regulatory crackdowns on compounded knockoffs will eventually restore Novo's market dominance. On the other hand, more bearish voices are questioning whether GLP-1 gold rushes are sustainable, pointing to emerging competition from pharmaceutical players, potential insurance reimbursement hurdles, and questions about long-term patient adherence. Some are also raising concerns about Novo Nordisk's ability to protect its market share through supply chain control and legal action. Additionally, the earnings call reviewed management's cautious tone about production bottlenecks and pricing pressures, fueling speculation that the company's rapid expansion could be hitting practical limits. Amid this uncertainty, retail and institutional investors alike are debating whether this dip represents or presents a buying opportunity or signals deeper challenges for Novo Nordisk's weight loss franchise and possibly for the GLP-1 category as a whole. So, yeah, intraday low of 49.34. That's what we're looking at right now. More further losses printing out. Okay, well, yeah, if you like further losses, but not as bad as what we have already seen, $49.34 in this pre-market session. So price is now $54 or thereabouts. So let's see, lower prices are expected to keep playing out. Let's see what we have. Yeah, lower prices expected to keep playing out at least up till Thursday the 31st. And then after that, we might see a bounce. Yeah, we might see a bounce. And it is expected to, that bounce is expected to be rejected on Wednesday, the 6th of August, around, let's see, the price there is around the current price right now. So, no guarantee that this weakness will continue to play out. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, selling pressure is very high right now. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, everything is well, not everything is negative. As a matter of fact, the selling pressure is still very much in effect, but it is decelerating. We can see down here. We have here second derivative of its 10 period of its price pressure momentum one, which measures the angle of attack of its well, in this case the 10 period moving average. It's positive, strongly positive, indicating that the selling pressure is no longer as bad. It has decelerated. And down here, we can see the second and first derivatives are positive, strongly positive. Yeah, further validating the case that the selling pressure is no longer as bad as it was. But it does not mean that it wouldn't. It doesn't mean that lower prices may not continue to print. So let's see how things go. We have as things stand right now, 63.41 upper projection and 73.01 as well. This printed yesterday. So outside that, there are previous projections. 65.95, I think, 68.61, 70.70, 71.47, 71.95. Yeah, a lot of prices all the way towards a lot of prices has well, if it does rebound, it's going to have some. Well, it had those challenges already from I would say from around $65 all the way towards $80. It's going to be a challenge for the stock. Let's see now. We had even higher prices. We had somewhere. Let's see. We had higher prices. Yeah, we had 86. We have 86.02, 83.23, 80.35, 78.71. So if you're talking about upper projections, it has a lot of upper projections, which are also resistances for the stock. So upper projections not a problem at all. Downward projections, it's something we can also try and see if we can find. But maybe as things stand right now, it may be a bit too early. But we could have a look at its 1 hour chart. We may have a list of possible downward projections. All we need to do is just apply the market grid. It's going to give us a trading range that the algos have calculated that the stock can, or rather, the stock has the prospects of trading within. Let's see that market grid. Okay, let's see. We have 47.19. It has actually printed something lower than that. Okay, yeah, not lower, 47.19. So indeed, this is also a possible downward projection for 49.34. 49.34, yeah. So yeah, 47.19, it's something that's possible. Are we going to see anything? Let's have a look at the 30-minute chart. Okay, 47.86, nothing lower than nothing lower there. Let's look at the 2 hour chart. For 7.15, I think equally similar. 45 minutes, let's see. I don't think we're going to see anything dramatic. 46 point, okay, yeah, something lower, 46.50, that's something they can print. Okay, yeah. So yeah, projections go all the way towards $86 or thereabout. So but lower prices are expected to keep printing. Lower prices are expected to keep printing. So see what you make of NVO stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.